Hello, everybody. I want to give you all a nice, short, sweet update on the current price action for Bitcoin and two levels to the upside and the downside that you can look to play and keep on your radar. So, first and foremost, we're on the 4 hour time frame. This gives a good idea of what we've been doing over the past few days. Well, the bulls have done one thing very well, and that is the fact that they have protected 15,460.5 here on Bybit very well. You see, we wicked down there, and then we created this double bottom bear trap scenario where we wicked below that previous low, but then immediately shot up and actually liquidated some late bears. Now, if the price moves back to 15,460.5, I would expect that it's not going to hold. And then you would look at two levels to the downside, and those levels are 14,718 and 13,773. Those are also the numbers for Bybit, but on the other exchanges, it's probably going to be a very similar level. So the levels, if we lose 15,460, the way to play this is either you can short the breakdown and the retest of this previous support, then turning into resistance to these two levels, and or you can also decide, for example, this is also something that I'm going to do personally, is I'm going to put limit buy orders for Bitcoin at these exact levels. Well, slightly above it just to front run these targets, but those are the two levels immediate short term that we can expect if we do break this range low. Now, if we do not break lower, then obviously we go higher, and there's two areas that I want to point your attention to. Now, firstly, we have this wick high here at 17,200. There is going to be a good amount of supply coming in between 17,000 and 17,002, 17,300. So this is the first level to the upside that we would need to take profit if we are in longs. Now, if that level breaks, then I would expect that Bitcoin is going to pump at least another $1,000 to 18,200, at which point I would also highly suggest taking profit in longs. So those are the two levels to the upside, 17,000 to 17,200, and then the next level is 18,200, and the levels to the downside are 14.7 and about 13.8k. So that's it for Bitcoin. Really keep it simple. Just play those levels is my plan. I hope to see you in the Titan and Penny Boys discords, and see you around.